You want to hear a sad story? Here's how my wife and I lost millions in real estate. Wait to the end and there's a cherry on top. So from 2006 to 2009, we had investment properties in the Bay Area, Arizona. We were actually building an investment property in Tampa. 2009 came around and we decided we wanted to buy a new construction property here in the Bay Area. I negotiated an $80,000 credit at the design center to upgrade the property. I had the builder waive the lot premium, and at the very end, I threw a Hail Mary. I demanded that the builder pay for the first 6 months of mortgage payments once we moved in. You never know unless you ask, so we asked. They accepted under one stipulation, that we needed to use their bank instead of the one that I was already approved with. We signed and we waited for the completion of the property. And we received a notice from the bank that we had a notice of default filed on the property. We had no idea that this bank had actually closed its doors. And when they closed their doors, they stopped making mortgage payments on us. Now I'm 120 days late on my mortgage. My 760 credit score is in the mid fives. Nobody is refinancing me. We ended up short selling 2 of the properties. We had to foreclose on the rest of them. Everything that we had in the bank was completely gone. And the kicker, we found out that we were pregnant with our first kid. We were basically homeless in the next few months. We couldn't even get rental applications approved because our credit was shot and we didn't have any money to show for financial reserves. Luckily, I had some friends in the industry that were working with builders and were able to get and occupy a brand new builder. Since 2009 to right now, what those property values would have gone up to would be north of $5 million.